Guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time of checking out this channel, it's your guy Fola here, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make this bow head tie. You can see I made use of ashoke. You can make use of your African prints. Can you see? Can you see how beautiful it looks? It's very easy to make. So can you see? You can take it, you can make it like this to church, to your parties, and you can turn it this way. You can see it in the middle here. You can move it to the side, to either of the sides. Can you see? You can also move it to this side. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do that now. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe.